Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all me want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan. I'm back again with another video. A suburban Philadelphia man drugged and sexually assaulted women he met online over the past 15 months. Police said Wednesday in filing rape and other charges against him. Andrew J. Gallo, 40, of Levittown, was jailed with bail set at $500,000 cash after being arraigned on 5 counts of rape by causing impairment, 4 counts of strangulation, drug and alcohol charges, and corruption of minors. My wisdom warriors. Oh, this son so. This son worse than vile. Oh, this son so. Eh? Hey, the world wicked in my wisdom warriors. Seriously. Wanna hear them mess up me? Huh? Wanna hear how much counts of rape, 4 counts of strangulation, drug and alcohol charges, and corruption of minors? This man drug and rape women he met online. Jano. There's some serious people in the world and my wisdom warriors, but are sick, they're really sick, Sick, they're really sick. Jano. A search is to resume this morning for a woman and a man who were on Thursday washed away by floodwaters in a river in Castleton, St. Mary. Yesterday, the police and residents conducted a search for the 2 people, but it was called off because the river was in spate. Councillor for the Craighead Division in Manchester, Omar Miller, says some people in the parish have been slow to report lottery scammers to the police because they benefit economically from the criminal activity. Councillor Miller was reacting to the murder of 5 men in the parish over a 7-day period in the parish earlier this month. The police say the murders are linked to scamming and interpersonal gang conflicts. Councillor Miller admits that some business operators benefit from the cash spent by the criminals and as a result may see no short-term benefit in reporting them to the police. Lord Jesus. So wait there. So you, councillor, you no know say the same very police where the people them are go report and call up people name to. Are the same very police them go back go tell them say so and so come report so Richard did come down so last night and come report say Kevin did come report you. One of the things that people are idiot. As bad as things may be, and we don't want this scamming business, it not going to go away. It's not going to go away. You know why? Because the scamming start from the top. Remember we have the most honorable scammer, in our country, It come like you forget. You forget, so we have a big top scammer. We're under ongoing investigation for taxpayers' money. It come like you no see what go on. So if that the one then I set no example for the country, what you think the people them are going to do? What you think that the people them are going to do in the community? You ask me, because if the top of the stream dirty, the bottom of the stream are go dirty too. So you come and explain. So wait there. If you have politician a thief, what you think say the locals them are going to do? What you think that the people them are going to do? The top scammer is at the top, which is the politician there. And uno na set no example, because remember say no for uno under investigation, uno labor right. Yeah? So how uno think the people them are go react? Uno no think that the people them are go take phone or footstep. That happen. Let me tell you now, that happen. And uno no want get rid of corruption. See, the Andrew Holness don't even sign the code of conduct. None of Andrew Holness members of parliament not sign the code of conduct. What that mean? Andrew Holness and Marlene Malahou do not want to put the impeachment in the Constitution, my wisdom warrior. Something that he promised. Something that he promised when he win the election. He promised, even before he win the election, he promised we in a 2016, saying that the first 100 days, what he's going to do, he might go put the impeachment bill in the Constitution and he might go catch a criminal them. And look on for himself now. He even afraid for sign the code of conduct. One little paper will say follow the rules and regulations of Jamaica. Protection and security for the Jamaican people. Andrew Holness can't sign that. You don't know what is the code of conduct I'm talking about? My wisdom warriors, let me ask you know. You don't know? Labor right, you don't know? Because if Andrew Holness is leading the country, I have a prime minister that is leading the country, and he not sign the code of conduct. You don't know what that means for us? You don't really know what that means for us? So if you don't want to sign a simple code of conduct, what you think the people them are going to do? The people them all say, yo, if we lead a top scammer, you know, so we have to be scammer too. And then the people them all don't, they not going to care. So guess what? And the government me blame for this. Me tell you from now, the government me blame for this. The government I blame for this. My wisdom warriors, if I really saw it go for true. If no scamming even go on. Because they know them already how for them things set. Councillor Miller admits that some business operators benefit from the cash spent by the criminals. You hear what he say? You hear what this one here say? He must say some business. So through him come out and chat boldly now. He want the Jamaican people to follow him. And then when they hear from the shout, now the people, them are dead. That not going to happen because we cannot trust the police. The police can't be trusted. Sorry, at this point, the police can't be trusted. The police cannot be trusted. My wisdom warriors, you know how much people do things like that, my wisdom warriors? Yeah? Go and tell police such and such, and when you look, man can lick out their head back. You don't know that to labor right, and you don't know that to PNP, and you don't know that Jamaicans, you don't know what I talk about. You understand me? Right now, the people them afraid. So when them come out and attack, the people them scared. The people them afraid of Andrew. They afraid of the police. They afraid of gun. The people them afraid of every damn thing. Down to mosquito. They afraid. So what we're gonna do? What is the next move? This is why I always say the government need to put something in place. They need to come up with a crime plan. Andrew Holness did say Jamaica don't need no crime plan. What Jamaica need a security. So you want control. I don't understand. You can't do that. You can't lock down people 24/7. That's Andrew Holness one. Have we in a captivity. And we're going to see very soon. We're going to see very, very soon. We're going to see what happen. Because enough of we is very stubborn. And we're not pre. You understand? And think for the future. We're not do that. We're not think for right now. And if a man show you in hands and show you what he's capable of, never forget. Never forget, my wisdom warriors. You hear me? During the pandemic, when you have the ship worker them, when they want to come back to their country, Andrew Holness never they going to take them back. If I never Mark Golding stand up on his foot, we don't know. Seriously, we don't know. And then, on top of that, when the war did happen over Ukraine, and the student them want to come back, what did Andrew Holness say? Andrew Holness say, I'm going to lend them loans. And when they reach back at Jamaica, then pay back a loan. Remember say, you know, a whole heap of life are lost, you know. This is our prime minister we are talking about, you know. This is our prime minister. And uno labor right to know this too. Because they're all over the news. Yes, so I don't want to say no come out and chat about a lie. You understand? Because I notice that uno no love Jamaican people. Uno really and truly hate Jamaicans. This is why uno out here and mislead the people. My wisdom warriors, when the student them wanted to come back home, I remember when the student them have to walk much mile because they couldn't go up on the bus. Uno no remember? And Andrew, then said they want to come back, and Andrew Holness say, I'm going to lend them loans. Andrew Holness, he going to lend them loans Because through fame life, remember in the last video, in a fame lifetime, through because they go lend him loans and he owe one bag of money and can't pay the people them and the people then gazette him backside. Yeah, he want if it happen to we. Bright and out order. Hey, you never see smoke without fire, you know? You never see smoke yet without fire. You think I want easy, man? The student them wanted to come back home and Andrew Walness say, he might go lend them loan and when they reach back, then pay it back. And Mark Golding stand up on his foot. Mark Golding and his team then gather money. Yeah, and send go give them so they can reach back at Jamaica. You don't remember all these things. You no labor right enough for you no lick out wicked pan Andrew Walness. And through everything on pause. Because let me tell you, I pause, everything pause, I pause it, Andrew only pause it. But if you make the mistake and make Andrew Walness win, everything Andrew Walness I got implement. Every single thing. So you can't stay there. Every day I kick in a green shot like you don't blast it sense. You better go read and go do some research. You stay there. I can't believe you. When me say, I can't believe you. Come like you sick. You sick or something? Something wrong with you? You green people. Something wrong with you? My wisdom warriors, may tell us sometimes it grieve me, man. Because I can't understand how this man get away with so much thing. This man has signed the code of conduct. This man break the law, the constitution. He break the law of the lands. He not have no regards for the Jamaican people. No morals, nothing. He not care. The man say he don't want no popularity anymore. And that he say he don't want no more popularity anymore. But say no, see how I'm a fight. No, I tell Pierre lie. Just to go to the top and be in power. Just to be in power and stay in power. You might tell lie pan somebody else for reach up at top. Never you do that, Andrew Walness. Because the moment you start do that, you're not going to last long. The moment you start do that, I tear down somebody else to reach up at top, you will never last long. May I tell you? Because what you're doing is wrong. What you're doing is wrong. My wisdom warriors, hear this. A 6-year-old boy was injured and a woman fatally shot during an attack in Commodore Linstead, St. Catherine on Friday morning. The child is hospitalized in serious but stable condition. The police have withheld the name of the deceased, whom sources say is the mother of a policewoman. Head of the St. Catherine North Police Acting Senior Superintendent Hopton Nicholson says the police are yet to determine a motive for the attack. So my wisdom warriors, Lord Jesus, you know what? I just want to say rest in peace and my condolence goes out to the family. A fresh wave of violence between rival gangs in one of the Haitian capital poorest neighborhoods was sparked by gunfire that broke out over a referee call during a soccer match, a pastor and newspaper said Friday. The awarding of a penalty kick in Wednesday championship match in the Site Solil community of Port-au-Prince touched off a shootout at the venue that killed the second in command of one gang and injured another gang leader, the pastor said. My wisdom warriors, so right now fresh wave of violence erupt in a Haiti. My box cover over football match. And them a place Andrew only stick up in soldier them and send gun over there. My wisdom warriors, they arrive, so I want to take a look on them. Look at this. My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you have to say below in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Guys, remember to become a member of this channel because very soon I will be going live with only members. Alright? And remember, I'm still going to upload video. Not because me go live with members, me not go upload video. I will still be uploading video. Alright, that. Remember to run over to my TikTok and my IG and my X page. Follow me. The link I go there in the comment section. You can also reach me on WhatsApp, which is 876-236-9097. Blessings upon blessings. One love.